Welcome back, Math Grizz. Today, we will multiply by multiples of 10. What are the multiples of 10? The multiples of 10 are 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, and we could count on forever. Just remember that 10 times any whole number is going to be a multiple of 10. Let's start by multiplying 4 times 30. We know 30 is a multiple of 10, and we need to find the product. Let's start by thinking about this as 4 groups of 30. 1 group, 2 groups, 3 groups, 4 groups. Each group has 30, a multiple of 10. 10, 20, 30. 10, 20, 30. 10, 20, 30. 10, 20, 30. We know we have 30 and 30, which makes 60. And 30 plus 30 makes 60. Now we can combine 60 plus 60, which equals 120. Or we can count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120. Another way to do 4 times 30 is we can drop the 0 and write 4 times 3 equals 12. Then we can just append the 0. That means that 4 times 30 equals 120. Let's try 3 times 50. We know 50 is a multiple of 10. We need to find the product. We can read this as 3 groups of 50. 1 group, 2 groups, 3 groups. 50 in each group. We know this is 50 and this is 50. We know 50 plus 50 is 100. And 100 plus 50 more is 150. We know the product is 150. Or we can just count by tens. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150. Another way to do 3 times 50 is to drop the 0 in the multiple of 10. So we would just write 3 times 5. And we know that equals 15. Now we can append the 0. That means that 3 times 50 equals 150. Now let's multiply 2 times 60. We know 60 is a multiple of 10. Now let's find the product. We can read this as 2 groups of 60. 1 group, 2 groups. We need 60 and another 60. We know that makes 60 plus 60, which equals 120. The product is 120. Or we can count by tens. Ready? Count with me. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120. Another way to think about this is to drop the 0 in the multiple of 10. So we would just write 2 times 6, which we know equals 12. Next, we can append the 0. That means that 2 times 6 equals 120. Now try 6 times 40, 4 times 50, 5 times 20, and 3 times 70.